So hi friends, if you are a YouTuber or any content creator, then in your videos or any reels or content, every audience will notice is your video quality, and second most important, your video audio quality. So if your audio is not clear, then your video will be disappointing. So how can you improve your video audio quality? Then if you want to improve, then you have to use this kind of lavalier microphone or any type of condenser microphone from which you can record a best, and your video audio quality will be automatically improved. So in this video I'm gonna unbox and review of this Boya M1 mic. I have purchased it recently. By the way, I have another big condenser microphone also, but for now I am using this Boya BY M1 microphone. So I'm going to unbox this Boya microphone. This is my new microphone, guys, and this is very budget friendly. I will show you the price of this Boya mic also, and also what's its advantages and disadvantages, that also we will gonna discuss in this video. And by the way, this is my first video in which I am going to unbox any product in this channel. So if you are new in this channel, then please share, subscribe and like. So without wasting any time, let's going to unbox this. So first of all, I open this packaging. I have brought this from daraz.com. So you can see this is the Boya mic. So this branding and all the packaging you can see. So I just simply open this box, and in this box you'll find a pouch, and in this pouch there is the Boya mic. So you can see the quality of this pouch, Boya branding, and here it is our Boya mic. So you can see this is the mic, and it has very long wire, and you'll see some other equipments also. You'll see one user manual and other small cards. Yeah, this is user manual, and you'll also get a small battery, and that battery you can use while you are using this mic in camera. So this is the Boya mic. So this long wire will help you a lot. So this is a Boya small card. So I open this another small pouch. So what's under this? I just open this. Okay, so it is a clip. So this clip you can easily hang in your t-shirt or your any shirt, and one another jack, and plus it is, so this is a foam, small foam to cover this microphone head. So clip and one battery also. You can use this battery while you are using this mic in DSLR. So friends, it's now time for audio testing. How's the audio quality of this microphone Boya M1? Now that I will show you in 3, 2, 1. The audio you are listening right now currently, it is from this mobile phone in which I am doing this video shooting. So this is the mobile audio quality. So you can see the difference. How's the quality? And now I will again rejoin this Boya mic, and you will see the difference between mobile phone audio and this Boya M1 mic audio. So 3, 2, 1. So now friends, the audio you are listening is from this Boya M1 mic. So you can easily see the difference. Now let's talk about its advantages. So the number one advantage of this microphone is it is budget friendly, and number two, it has very long wire, so you can easily shoot your any videos from a long distance too. And number three is it is very portable and very small in size. You can carry this wherever you can go. You can easily carry this in your pocket also. So these are the advantages of this Boya M1 microphone. So in my opinion, it has no any disadvantages. I have buy this microphone recently, around 3 days ago. So I'm using this microphone to shoot my YouTube videos. So if you want to buy or if you want to purchase this Boya microphone, then you can easily check out my description below. There is the link of this original Boya microphone. You can buy this original microphone. So this was for today. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to share, subscribe and like. Stay tuned for my next video. So bye bye guys.